everybody. So I am here today to share with you my kit for how to kill a kit with style. So you're gonna have to look at my hands just for a couple minutes because I want to explain to you what I've decided to do. I've pretty much been kind of dropping the ball on killing my kits, right? I'm only getting a couple layouts done, and while that's exciting because it means that my business has been super busy and I've been doing a lot of stuff, it also means that I have a lot of product and I'm having a hard time killing it, right? So I don't want to disappoint you guys by doing how to kill a kit with style and then only giving you like 1 or 2 process videos every month. That's just not cool. I know it, you know it. You want to see me kill a kit, right? So here is my plan. When I was deciding what I wanted to do for the month of September, I was thinking about my Maggie Holmes stash because, guys, I have the biggest Maggie Holmes stash in the history of ever. You give me one of Maggie Holmes' collections, I probably have it. Some of it, not all of it, but some of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an overview of all of my Maggie Holmes. I've organized it by type of supply. I have it all in this iris container. And starting in September, we are going to do Maggie Holmes Mondays. And we're going to do this maybe for the next year because I'm getting marigold too. I have a Maggie Holmes obsession, right? I'm getting marigold in September. So, yeah. There'll be an unboxing of that, so I'll have new Maggie Holmes, I'll have old Maggie Holmes, I'll have all the Maggie Holmes, and we're going to do How to Kill a Kit with Style Maggie Holmes Monday edition until I have no more or much less Maggie Holmes. Sound good? Okay, so that's the plan. If you're watching this and you are a YouTuber and you also have a stash of Maggie Holmes, contact me. I would love to have a couple YouTubers join me. You don't have to join me every Monday. You can join me one Monday in September, one Monday in November, whatever. It doesn't matter. Just throwing that out there. If you have a YouTube channel, you want to join me for Maggie Holmes Mondays, just let me know and I'll make sure to get a channel link and put it in my videos and mention that you're going to play along with me. So this will be my How to Kill a Kit with Style for the foreseeable future. If I get more than 2 layouts done, I'll do a layout share at the end of every month. But otherwise, we're just going to go with it. This is what we're going to do. We're going to kill the Maggie Holmes. And I mean that in the kindest, gentlest, most creative way possible. Because Maggie Holmes. Okay. So, I corralled it all together. Let's see what we got. First off, these are 6x6 and 6x8 paper pads. So, we have confetti. We have bloom. We have gather. We have more gather. We have more gather. We have more bloom. Do you see a problem here? We have style board. Style board. That's right. We have 2 6x6 pads of flourish, a 6x8 pad of flourish, and the last couple random sheets of the 6x8 carousel paper. Now let's open the iris container. So this is how I'm doing this. I'm starting with die cuts. So I have multiple die cuts from multiple lines. They're all mixed up because I've tried in the past to create Maggie Holmes kits to kill within a month. Didn't really work. More Maggie Holmes. More Maggie Holmes. All the Maggie Holmes. So these are all my Maggie Holmes die cuts. I mean, you guys, like, seriously, you have no idea. I have the 6-card pack from Carousel, totally, completely unopened. This is a washi pack from Bloom. Some of these are used, but there's still quite a few in here. I have two, not one, 2 6x12 cardstock stickers from Shine. There are also papers in here from Shine. There are also die cuts in here from Shine. Sorry about those. I have from Bloom these little like popped up flowers. I have one unopened pack and one pack that I did open that's in here. Show of hands, who is laughing? Me. Chalkboard labels. I'm not even, confetti. These are from confetti. So chalkboard labels from confetti. This one is from her first collection, the Maggie Holmes collection. These are from Bloom, I think. These are all the stickers from Heritage, the sticker book. These are from Confetti. There are lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of stickers. Letter stickers. This is from Flourish. Flourish? I think Flourish. And I did add a sequin. I did add 2 sequins to these and then didn't use this on the layout I was creating, so we have that one ready to go. It's already embellished. I have, so some of my Maggie Holmes is exclusives from click kits that were featuring a Maggie Holmes collection. So I have these 2 flares. I have another flare flying around here somewhere. This is from Carousel, I think. Carousel? Carousel? I want to say Carousel, maybe Chasing Dreams. If you know, I don't know. I don't know. I know it's Maggie Holmes. This is from Heritage. These are the thickers that go with Flourish. This is from Flourish. These are from Bloom. These are from Flourish. These are from Flourish. These are from Flourish. I think I have a lot of Flourish. I had a lot. I mean, I bought a lot of it, but I had a lot too. I want to say these are from Carousel, but I could be wrong. These are both from Flourish, and they're different. I believe that they are different. Okay, so those are all the embellishments that I have to work with. These are all of the paper scraps. So I'm just going to kind of flick through these kind of quickly. So these are all paper scraps. So I didn't keep itty bitty tiny paper scraps. I just kept paper scraps I actually thought I could make use of. So that's all the paper scraps. And then these are all the 12 by 12 papers, which, you know, I'll go ahead and flip through them for you. All the die cuts. I feel like this kit is going to become an 80-20 layout or 2 because I have so many embellishments and it's crazy. Excuse me. I have been doing so much filming today. My voice is about gone. Okay, so let's get started. This one is from Bloom. This one is from Bloom. This one is from Carousel. 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 Oh, look, I bought 2 of those. Nice, right? Okay. Didn't use one of them yet, but, you know, bought 2. This is from Chasing Dreams. This should be with scrap. Not quite sure why it isn't. This one's from Chasing Dreams. This is from Chasing Dreams. This one is from Chasing Dreams. This one is from Chasing Dreams. This one is from Chasing Dreams. I have 2 of those. Hold on a second. We should probably maybe put them together, right? Maybe? Does that make sense in your head? Kind of makes sense in mine. So, put those in there. Chasing Dreams. 2 of these 2. This is from Chasing Dreams. This one's from Open Book. This is from Shine. This is from Shine. This one's from Shine. This one is from Bloom. This is Open Book. This is Open Book. This is Open Book. Oh, no. I'm sorry. These are from Style Board. right? Hold on a second. I'm going to figure this out. These are from Style Board. Okay. I'm sorry. This is not the original one or open book. This is Style Board. Okay, so this is Style Board. This is Style Board. This is Style Board. Those go somewhere else. This is from Shine. This one's from Bloom. This is from Shine. And then I have the entire, well, most of the paper pad for Sunny Days, which you've seen me use this. I got this one and used it for my How to Kill a Kit when I was trying to kill some paper pads. So I have a good chunk of that left. This is a new, these are newer. So this is Heritage, and 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 this is Heritage. Oh, I have two of those. This is Heritage, and this is Heritage, and this is Heritage, and this is Heritage. This is Flourish, and this one is Flourish. And these are the specialty papers that were exclusive to scrapbook.com. So the other side is just a solid color. This is Flourish, this is Flourish, this is Flourish, and then I have this Vellum from Flourish too. So that's all of my full sheets of Maggie Holmes paper, plus all of those embellishments, plus all those 6x6 paper pads, plus I'm hoping to use my design tip credit as a cherry on top to get Marigold next month. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. From now on, we're going to have every other Monday will be Maggie Holmes Mondays, because so my Wild Whisper design team layouts are every other Monday. So on the Mondays that I have a Wild Whisper video, I won't have a Maggie Holmes Monday video, but on Mondays when I don't have a Wild Whisper video, I'll have a Maggie Holmes Monday video. Does that make sense? Okay. So it'll be like every other Monday. And then if I can use my Maggie Holmes for 80/20, if I can use my Maggie Holmes for a Quilter's Vibe 1 month, until I have made a significant, we're going for a significant dent in these products. The other thing I will say is I don't want to get bored. That's why I'm only committing myself to 2 videos a month, because I don't want to get tired of Maggie Holmes. Don't want to get bored with him. And I've said this 1,000 times, and I'll say it again, I get bored easily. So we're going to do our best. I mean, I love my Maggie Holmes. I love her. She is probably right up there with one of my all-time absolute 100% favorite designers ever to create scrapbook stuff. She's up there with Allison Craft. She's up there with Chamel, which is so funny because they're all so different. But at the same time, I also know that I don't want to get bored. I want to create with these products, and I want to create with them at a pace to which I'm using other products and other things and other videos throughout the month, so that when it comes time to shoot my Maggie Holmes, I'm still excited to play with all these products, right? Okay, so that is the plan. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day. Be sure to hop along and see what everyone else is doing for their How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I will see you all again soon.